I'll explain exactly what Kraken xStocks are and show you how to buy and sell tokenized versions of popular US stocks and ETFs like SpaceX and OpenAI 24/7 in the Kraken Desktop and App 2.0, whether you are a retail investor or a pro trader. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. The first thing to understand is that xStocks are tokenized representations of real-world assets. Each token is backed one-to-one by the underlying share or ETF, but because it's on a blockchain, you aren't restricted by the New York Stock Exchange's 9 to 5 opening hours. To get started on the app, go to the trade section and search for your desired stock. You'll notice an X appended to the ticker, for example, TSLAX for Tesla, or the new VCXx token. VCXx is the most exciting addition for 2026. Through a partnership with Fundrise, this single token gives you exposure to late-stage private unicorns like SpaceX, OpenAI, and Anthropic. It basically allows retail investors to act like venture capitalists, starting from just $1. To buy, just tap the token, accept the terms confirming you aren't a U.S. person, and confirm your address. Once approved, you can swap your USDG or stablecoins directly for the asset. To sell your xStocks and lock in your gains, the process is just as fast. Open the app and tap the trade button, then select Sell. Search for or tap the xStock you want to exit. When choosing what to receive, sell your xStocks into USDG rather than directly into cash. In the 2026 fee schedule, trading into USDG often qualifies for significantly lower fees, sometimes even 0% maker fees, compared to the higher spreads you'll find when selling directly to fiat currency. Enter the amount you want to sell, review the transaction details, and tap Confirm. The settlement is near instant, and your funds will be available in your balance immediately. The settlement is near instant, meaning your funds are available in your balance immediately. You can withdraw your xStocks to a private wallet, giving you true ownership of your tokenized portfolio outside of the exchange. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best crypto tutorials and check the description for more. Thanks for watching.